In this video, I'll show you how to use Replit'S built-in key-value database. First, open your Replit project and make sure you're signed in to your Replit account. Next, open the Tools or Database section in your workspace and look for the built-in key-value storage option. Depending on your project setup, you may see it listed as Database, Key-Value Store, or App Storage. After that, create a key for the information you want to store. A key is simply a unique name that helps your application find a saved value. For example, you could use a key like username or theme. Now, use your application's database tools to save a value under that key. Then create a read operation that retrieves the value whenever your application needs it. You can also update the value by saving new information using the same key. Next, test your application. Save a value, restart your app if needed, and retrieve the value again to confirm that the data is being stored correctly. Finally, review your stored keys and remove any test data you no longer need. Keep sensitive information protected and avoid storing passwords or private credentials as plain values. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Replit'S built-in key-value database. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn ModeLab for more tutorials.